Ready or what?
I'm already recording, doggy.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Abram and Ralph is the cameraman today. Been a long time. And what I have in front of me is the Gorilla Pod by JOBY. And it's the newest one for 2024?
I mean, I bought it in 2024.
Oh, I don't know when this came out. We'll have to look it up. But let's see what it has. Can you see it?
The time lapses.
Yeah, okay. I'm opening it. How much was this thing anyways?
It was a whopping $89 retail. Officially paid.
Bucks. Okay.
I actually paid the whole $89.
You paid this time.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
This is mainly for you. Usually the camera guy, so this is like almost like a gift to you.
For me. Ready?
By me.
Are you gonna come up closer?
Oh yeah, let me get closer.
Come closer.
Actually, let me turn it this way. There we go.
What I've always wanted.
Oh man, this was girthy.
Damn. Alright, this is all I wanted, so
Yeah, just throw the rest of it away.
We got a fuzzy finally. Testing. Alright, so we got a mic with the fuzzy on it. Probably comes out. I'm gonna test it, but by JOBY. My hand's pretty big, so that's the size. It's pretty big. What else we got? It's got a aux cable. Okay. I don't know where it's at, but let's try to get this thing out. Oh, this is cool. It is for the phone. Oh, it's like a locking mechanism. I'm not sure how it works. Oh, okay. It's spring loaded. So I guess you'd lock it like that. Okay. And then I'll lock it. Cool.
Interesting.
Check it out. You got that? Okay. Instruction manual.
We need that.
Those. Don't look at it.
Oh, you can't see it. This is trash.
Alright, so you got a little bag here. Oh shit. All the goodies fall out. Good job, JOBY. So you got a bag that no one's gonna use probably? Because yeah, I'm not gonna use it. Oof, aux cable number 1. Some of you guys don't even know what aux cables are.
Yeah, basically.
Alright, another smartphone aux. I don't understand. It's got a 90 and a.
We'll figure it out right now.
And this is the fuzzy mic holder. Dang, I hope we have everything that we need. Oh, okay. Well, I'll put it together right now. The holder, okay. This girthy animal here.
That one's way bigger than the other JOBY we have.
Excuse me?
We'll put a link in the description somewhere here for that horrible video that never made it.
Damn, boy. Whew. Gotta open her up.
Thick.
This is nice, actually. This is like a way better upgrade than what we had before. This is what we should have had first.
Actually, I feel like we tried making our own version of this. If you really think about it, because we bought the JOBY.
Okay.
The lower.
The baby one.
Yeah, and then we tried to buy a microphone.
To buy this.
Yeah, and then we bought the Go Viral kit.
Oh, with a light.
With the lights.
This doesn't come with the light. No light on
this one. But how often did we really ever use? The microphone was the key.
Yeah, the mic. We needed definitely needed an upgrade for the mic. I really wanted the fuzzy thing. Shout out to Joseph for sending me all the links and me never checking them. Never buying it. Sorry, Joseph. Hilarious, but yeah, let's try to see if I can put this thing together. The clip. Ooh, baby girl. I guess it's got like a little level or something here. I'm not sure. I think it's just like a weird thing. I don't know. Alright, so it screws on eventually.
Unlimited threads.
I guess it just keeps going. It just keeps swiveling. I don't know. Alright, well, it just keeps swiveling, so don't freak out. I have a phone here. Which phone do I use?
Yeah, you can use that one, I guess.
This one?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Oh, shit. Hold on. Let me pause this real quick.
Go back up.
Or, hold on, let me go back up. It's
I don't know what you had it at.
Actually, I had it locked, but then
mine does the same thing. But I locked it in like it's so.
Okay. Well, you're gonna have to. I haven't cut this video, so we're gonna have to.
That's fine.
And we're back.
Malfunction. Okay. So, anyways, we put the thing. Let me see how to put this. Okay, so before I knock it over, I guess I'm not gonna read the instructions. Figure it out. You just open it up. You put your phone in, ready to go. That grabs it. Whew. You're ready. You're basically almost ready. Okay, fuzzy mic holder.
It's a square.
Okay, unscrew this thing. I don't know if you see that. Stick it right here on top. Okay, then the mic goes
The direction
you
we
want to
wanted
be
it.
fancy. You want the JOBY showing. I mean, you're not gonna see it, but I mean,
We're not gonna see it on video.
I'm guessing. I'm
You're
not.
gonna see it on video.
You're not gonna see the video. Yeah. I don't know. It just goes on. I'm guessing. It's like really
we
hard
have to
on
spread it.
Kind of nervous. I don't want to break it either.
It's okay. I think I'm still within the 30-day policy.
Okay. All right. So there you go. Let's get that recoil.
Dr. Karunto would be very happy right now.
The cantilever beam or whatever.
Dr. Karunto would be very happy.
This is really good because, like, filming.
That's during the 100 launches.
You never
of the
see
Tesla.
it, so you don't know what's happening up there. But better quality, right?
Oh, we need the adapter, right? Here, look, I'm gonna pass you the phone.
Yeah.
I think I have an adapter somewhere here. You're gonna have to record maybe an angle. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to reach here. Hold on. Oh, don't show the cowboy shit. No.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Cool.
Should probably change it. Anyway, okay. So, anyways, the camera setup basically. What did not come in the box, but it shows it on the box. This right here, special.
$20 attachments.
Yeah. If you're buying this and you have an older iPhone, not the newest one, you need this dongle. Yeah. So
$20 dongle.
Yeah.
Or $15, whatever retail it is nowadays.
does not come with it, as you can see here. I don't know where you're gonna get this from. We might have it on Amazon. I don't know.
Apple, I don't know. Yeah.
It's kind of worn out.
This is kind of the fried, but
Yeah.
for
Anyways.
demonstration purposes only.
So now you're ready. That's it. That's the setup. You like it? I like it. I love the fuzzy thing.
Now to test it out to see if it actually works.
Yeah. So we're only recording with the iPhone by itself. Nothing attached to it. Just a regular iPhone with we got carpet floors, sofa. Not that much on the walls. The echo's not crazy, but we'll see. I guess we could do. You can blow into the thing and see if it.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, and then on the front. And then we'll try it with this thing here.
Okay, ready and... Okay. Let me see. Testing. It's actually feels like I feel like I'm a legit like YouTuber now. Like the JOBY, like the legs are like, what's the word? The legs are like
Smooth.
stiff. Like I can hold it. Like I feel like I can two-hand it.
Oh, okay.
You get me? Like I feel like those people that have those
The DJI thing.
the mounted ones on their body. Like it's not like.
You want to look legit? Buy this.
Yeah.
Are you recording or not?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
It's legit. Hopefully the sound. I mean.
Okay. So don't use this. This. I guess it's for like a legit camera that we don't have. We're just using iPhones. We tried this and we did a sound test, and it sounded like it was still the phone, because I even hit the mic and it was like not. It sounded like it was on the phone. So I guess don't use this unless you have an actual camera. like a Canon or Sony or whatever, blah, blah, all those numbers or whatever.
This.
Use the. It's labeled on there. I'll zoom in.
One side.
There's one where it has the labels, microphone and iPhone. Right here. Not this one. This one. And that one really picks up the mic really well.
And we're using it now to record the rest of this video.
Yes.
I wish we could show.
We could show. We could. I don't have a. But yeah, it's on. Honestly, sir, are you a YouTuber, sir? You have. Rob was saying that he. Did you get that on film or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like I'm. I feel like I'm like a professional YouTuber with this, man. This is like
so funny.
Where was this when we started?
You are definitely a YouTuber, sir.
Yeah.
Or creator.
Creator.
Influencer.
Influencer, potential. How many get monetized?
Yeah. Yeah, we're trying to get monetized here. It's been a long time. It looks just like this. You can take the fuzzy thing off if you want.
Nah.
You gotta have the fuzzy, bro. What else?
The girls like the fuzzies.
Honestly. Yeah, and you look legit. You got the hat, you got the fuzzy. You gotta have the fuzzy, honestly.
You gotta have a shirt that says Film Crew or something.
Yeah, I gotta get you a shirt, a sticker, or Velcro. Slap it on there.
I'm gonna make some shirt that says right here. It's gonna say no winning, and in the back Film Crew.
Yeah. So I think this is a win. It sounds really good. Joby's the way to go, honestly. How much? Under $100?
What can you even get like legit?
I could buy another one.
Yeah.
$100. So, and it's fitting a 15 Pro Max.
14 Pro.
14 Pro Max.
I don't even know where I'm on anymore.
Not the USB-C one. iPhone.
Last year's.
Yeah, the one before. So.
Last.
I say we're not gonna get one because this. I feel more legit filming with this setup.
I want to continue filming.
I feel like I have the YouTube thing here.
You gotta
my plaque or whatever.
You already did the picture. Yeah. There we go.
You want another one?
There we go. We got a couple. There we go.
All right. So definitely get this.
Dude, like the positioning of holding this thing, like it's
really, it looks really good.
It's legit, man.
I feel professional.
Yeah.
So
hopefully we look professional in the future.
If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully we get more new stuff to try out. So, see you later.